Ay, Robert, paano to?
Ano ba yan? Oh, so this time around, it's about Ohm's law. A string of decorative LED lights has a total resistance of 30 ohms. To power these lights, four 1.5 volts batteries are used, and a total current of 0.2 amperes is observed flowing through the string. How are the batteries connected? Here's the thing. For us to know how the batteries are connected, we have to understand what are the effects muna. And batteries can be connected in two different ways. First is series, and second, parallel. Dun sa mga hindi masyado nakapag-aral pa ng physics, isipin yung mga AA or AAA na batteries. Pag mga AA na batteries tapos nakatabi-tabi sila na pare-parehas yung ulo, yung dulo, pag pare-parehas sila ganyan, that means they're all connected in parallel. Pero kapag ito nakaganyan, ito yung upright, tapos ito nakabaliktad, ito nakaganyan, then ito naman naka-series na yan. So, yun yung difference ng dalawa. Now, kailangan natin maintindihan ano bang effect ng bawat isa sa bawat klaseng connection. With regards to the total voltage that they can produce, if it's series, lahat ng voltages na doon, pagsamahan mo lang sila, that will be the total voltage. For example, this will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus ... Pag parallel naman, ang habol natin dito ay consistency. That means pare-parehas lang yung voltage sa bawat isang battery. Ang total voltage natin dito will be the same as the first volt equals to V2 equals to V3 equals to ... Okay? Now, how do we relate this to your resistance, which is 30 ohms, and also your 0.2 amperes, which is your current? Another thing is that we have here 4 na 1.5 volts. Pag 4 na 1.5 volts, if they're connected in series, ano yung magiging total voltage nila? 4 na 1.5, which is 6 volts. Ano naman kapag parallel naman connection nila? That means your total voltage will be
1.5 pa rin.
Yan, tinatanong kasi nga, how are the batteries connected? Paano ito malalaman? You just need to be able to compute what should be the voltage that you have in this connection.
Okay.
We have to apply your Ohm's law. And to remember the Ohm's law, kailangan nilang maalala ang tax. Sino taga-kolekta ng tax?
BIR.
Simply, voltage equals to current, which is I, and R, which is resistance. That will be equal to
0.2 amperes.
and
30.
is 30. 30 times 0.2, it's the same thing as 2 times 3. So that will be 6 volts. So pag 6 volts, alin siya? Series or parallel?
Series.
That's why the answer here will be your letter A. Guess what?
Yes, feeling ko papasa na ako ng upkat.